All right, so let's take a look at this problem. A company is making mirrors. Each mirror needs to be 18 inches high. Each mirror can vary by at most zero point zero 0.01 inch. Write an absolute value inequality that represents this situation and allows you to answer the question, what are the acceptable heights of this company's mirrors? So let's let H be the height of the mirror. And the idea in all of these manufacturing type of problems is that we are not able to produce a mirror most of the time with any kind of consistency that is always exactly 18 inches high. There's always just a little bit of error. So we want to minimize that error and have the height be as close to this 18 inches as we need it to be. And in this case, they have felt that it needs to be 0.01 inches from that 18. If it's any less than that or if it's any more than that, the mirror would be rejected or scrapped in some way. So I know that when we get to our solution, I don't know that these endpoints on this number line, but I do know that the middle value here is going to be 18 and that I'm going to be really close to that 18 um, within zero point zero 0.01 inches of it. So this inequality represents that picture, and if I make this negative, drop the absolute values, I have a compound inequality. Now for my compound inequality to make any sense, the arrows have to point in the same direction and to the smaller value. They're both pointing to the left. They're both pointing towards a negative value, which is smaller than a positive value. So I'm going to add 18 to each portion of this because negative 18 and positive 18 will cancel and I'll have the h by itself. So I'll have to add 18 everywhere in this compound inequality. So what I get here is 17.99, and what I get over here is 18.01. Those are those endpoints. This is the minimum value that would be acceptable for this company that's producing these mirrors. And of course, this is I never put my units up there. You should try to get in the habit when you define your variable of including your units and also to include units in your answers. So here's our inequality that they wanted, and here's the solution to that inequality, and I hope that helps.